Ever wondered how to ask for help politely in Spanish, or how to pronounce the tricky vowels and consonants correctly? Or maybe you're trying to master number sequences to sound more fluent. Ready to elevate your Spanish skills? Let's get started. Welcome to Lingua Hub, where we transform language learning into an exciting adventure. Our channel is dedicated to teaching you new languages through dynamic and engaging PowerPoint presentations. If you're passionate about discovering new cultures and languages, or simply want to enhance your linguistic skills, you're in the right place. Join our community of language enthusiasts and unlock a world of knowledge. Subscribe now and embark on this journey with us. Your adventure in language learning starts here. Spanish Lesson. Unit 1. Lesson 4. Components, greetings, alphabets, and numbers. Introduction to the lesson. Hola amigos. Welcome back to our Spanish Basics series. Today, we'll delve into polite phrases, the detailed pronunciation of vowels and consonants, and mastering number sequences. This lesson is filled with comprehensive explanations, examples, and interactive elements to enhance your learning experience. Let's begin. Lesson 1. Polite phrases. Frases corteses, en español. Intro. Politeness is a crucial aspect of effective communication in any language. Learning polite phrases in Spanish will help you show respect and build rapport with native speakers. Polite phrases. Por favor. Please. Gracias. Thank you. De nada. You're welcome. Disculpe, en español. Excuse me. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Podría. Could you? Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Con permiso. Excuse me, when passing by. Perdón. Pardon. Examples. When asking for a favor. ¿Podría ayudarme, por favor? Could you help me, please? When receiving help. Gracias por su ayuda. Thank you for your help. When apologizing for a mistake. Lo siento, no fue mi intención. I'm sorry, it wasn't my intention. When introducing yourself. Mucho gusto, me llamo. Your name. Nice to meet you, my name is. Your name I. When needing to pass through a crowd. Con permiso, necesito pasar. Excuse me, I need to pass. Deep dive. Polite phrases are essential for respectful communication. Por favor. And gracias are fundamental, used in nearly all polite requests and responses. Disculpe, en español, is used to get someone's attention or to apologize for a minor inconvenience, while perdón is used for more significant apologies. Podría is a polite way to request something, often used with por favor to add an extra layer of politeness. Tips. Always say por favor and gracias to show good manners. Use disculpe en español to politely interrupt or ask for something. Remember that lo siento is used for apologies, while disculpe en español and perdón can be used in more casual contexts. Interactive questions. How do you say, excuse me, when trying to pass by someone? What phrase would you use to politely ask for help? How do you apologize in Spanish for a mistake? Outro. Great work. Now you know how to use polite phrases to communicate respectfully in Spanish. Practice these phrases in your daily interactions to become more confident. Lesson 2. Vowels and consonants with pronunciation. Vocales y consonantes con pronunciación. Vowels. A en español. Like the a in father. Example. Casa. House. E en español. Like the e in bet. Example. Mesa. Table. Y en español. Like the ee in sea. Example. Isla en español. Island. O en español. Like the o in no. Example. Oso en español. Bear. U en español. Like the oo in food. Example. Luna en español. Moon. Consonants. B en español. Like the b in boy. Example. Boca en español. Mouth. Fe en español. Like the C in cat before a, o, u, like the th in thin before e or I. Example, casa. House. Cielo en español. Sky, de en español. Like the d in dog. Example, dedo en español. Finger. F en español. Like the f in fun. Example, flor en español. Flower. G en español. like the G in go before E, O, U, like the H in happy before E or I. Example, gato en español. Cat. Gente en español. People. H en español. Silent in Spanish. Example. Hora en español. Hour. Examples. Vowel A. Casa. House. Amigo. Friend. Agua. Water. Animal. Animal. Amarillo en español. Yellow. Vowel E. Elefante. Elephant. Escuela. School. Estrella. Star, espejo. Mirror. Escribir. To write. Consonant B. Boca. Mouth. Bien. Well. BB. Baby. Bola, ball. Biblioteca. Library. Consonant C. Casa. Cielo. Sky. Zero. Zero. Fine. Cinema, virgola. Cosa. Thing. Consonant G. Gato. Cat. Gente. People. Guitarra. Guitar. Gigante. Giant. Guerra. Va. Deep dive. Tips. Practice each vowel sound until you can say them clearly. Pay attention to the position of the vowel to understand how C and G are pronounced. Record yourself to check your pronunciation and make necessary adjustments. Interactive questions. How do you pronounce the vowel E in Spanish? What sound does the consonant C make before E or I? Give an example of a word with the silent H in Spanish. Outro. Excellent job. You've now learned the correct pronunciation of Spanish vowels and consonants. Keep practicing to improve your speaking skills. Lesson 3, Mastering Number Sequences. Dominando las secuencias numéricas. Intro. Numbers are crucial in everyday communication. Let's master number sequences from 41 to 60 to enhance your numerical fluency in Spanish. Numbers 41 to 50. 41 in English. 41. 42. 42. 43. 43. 44. 44. 45. 45. 46. 46. 47. 47. 48. 48. 49. 49. 50. 50. Numbers 51 to 60. 51. 51. 52. 52. 53. 53. 54. 54. 55. 55. 56. 56. 57. 57. 58. 58. 59. 59. 60. 60. Deep dive. The structure for forming these numbers involves combining the tens, 40, or 50, with the units using Y. This pattern continues for each subsequent group of 10. For example, 52 is 52, following the same pattern as 42, 42. This structure is consistent and predictable, making it easier to learn and use. Tips. Practice counting out loud from 41 to 60 to become comfortable with the numbers. Use flashcards with the numbers in Spanish on one side and English on the other to test yourself. Try to use these numbers in real-life contexts, such as telling the time or counting objects. Interactive questions. How do you say 45 in Spanish? What is the Spanish word for 58? How do you form the number 51 in Spanish? Outro. Great job. Knowing these number sequences will help you in various situations like shopping, scheduling, and more. Keep practicing to become fluent in Spanish numbers. Final test. How do you say, could you, in Spanish? What is the Spanish word for 53? How do you pronounce the vowel I in Spanish? What phrase would you use to politely ask for permission to pass through a crowd? How do you say 49 in Spanish? What is the Spanish word for 41? How do you greet someone you've just met in Spanish? What is the phonetic sound of G before E or I? Summary. You've done an amazing job mastering polite phrases, vowels and consonants, and number sequences in Spanish. Regular practice will help you retain what you've learned. Keep up the great work, and stay tuned for more lessons. We've reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any help or have questions, please let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are here to help. If you enjoyed this video, please honor us by subscribing to Lingua Hub. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your loved ones who might also enjoy learning new languages. See you in the next video.